Hello and welcome to the Notion Consultants course. My name is Molly and I am the teacher, trainer, facilitator, and leader of this course. I have been a certified Notion consultant since 2020. I was actually the 13th ever to be certified, and since then I have helped over 50 clients worldwide build and transform their workspaces. At the same time, I've been helping you, the student, learn how to do exactly what I do. From our first cohort back in 2021, where we had 53 live students gather together, create a community, and learn everything there is about Notion Consulting, we've taken that information and built this self-paced course for those of you at home who would like to attack this on a more self-paced type of level. Thank you so much for coming here. Thank you so much for checking it out. You're gonna find a lot. We have a 80 plus videos all talking about everything that you could ever want in the Notion consulting world. We've got a specific Notion workspace highlighting each lesson. We've got 8 lessons, 4 modules, all of those showing you exactly the steps that you need to take to become a Notion consultant. There are no bits of fluff in here. Every piece of homework and exercise activity that is given to you is helping you build your business. Once you get started, you'll be able to follow our specific project plan step by step and take it at the pace that suits you and your busy life, because realistically, we can't all just pick up our life and change careers overnight. But what you can do is start today, bit by bit, being consistent, working hard, and soon I'm hoping that we can together help you build a dream life where you can have flexibility in your work schedule, you can work from home, and essentially make really good money doing what you love as a Notion consultant. Thank you for choosing me to help you on this journey. I've got years of experience as a project manager, IT training and support, and even a little bit of stand-up comedy. So hopefully we'll make this an enjoyable and exciting experience for you. And if you have any thoughts, any questions, or anything on your mind prior to signing up, feel free to shoot me an email or message me on Twitter, Notion Molly, molly@notionology.com. I'm here for you, and I'm excited for this new adventure. So see you soon.